Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we got an awesome watch face we want to check out by Bruno Prado. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we got a watch face that I thought was worthy of a review. This one here is by Bruno Prado. Now, the name of the watch face is called Xtreme with an X. Now, if you go into the always on mode, you're going to see pretty much the same thing. It's going to be dimmed down, but it's also going to be a nice look. You're going to be able to see your time at a glance, which is not bad. Now, when the watch face is on, let's take a look at this. First, you're going to get his logo right up at the top. And what I like about this watch face that I thought was very different, you got a second hand going around. Can you see it? It's lit up in blue. Right now it's at the top, going around the side here. I thought that was definitely a nice touch. Adds a little bit of character to the watch face. And you're going to get your battery info. You're going to get your step go info. And as you can see, today is Sunday, I've been nowhere. Now, what I like about the watch face is that every single thing is nice and legible. You get the days of the week lit up in orange to let you know exactly what day it is. And the digital time is in big, bold numbers. For those of you all who are into digital watch faces, you come down to the bottom, you're going to get all your step status, whether it be steps, miles walked or ran. You can also get your calories burned, your heart rate info. Come down a little bit further, you're going to get the month and the date. And I thought it was a good look, and it is interactive. So if I tap in the center, I can set my alarm, and I can not double tap, but tap here. I get calories burned. Of course, my step status info. You're going to get your heart rate info on the side and calories burned. So I'm thinking this was definitely a nice look, affordable in the Gear Manager store. So I suggest you guys go ahead and check this one out. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.